previous investigations, we hacked microscopic AI, chips, and invisible data logs. But today, we are scaling up. We are going to hack a fundamental law of physics: gravity. By bypassing encrypted thermal controllers and rerouting industrial cryogenics, we are transforming this workshop into a localized, high-stakes anomaly zone. Welcome to the Absolute Zero Obstacle Course. This is a Class 3 magnetic levitation array. The system relies on a proprietary digital controller to stabilize the heavy neodymium magnets, but the software is locked. So we are completely abandoning the digital realm. We are solving this hardware problem with brute force, kinetic energy, and a highly volatile substance: liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen boils at negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It is incredibly dangerous. I am physically bypassing the electronic valves, manually, rerouting the cryogenic fluid directly onto a yttrium-barium copper oxide puck. We are inducing a state of quantum locking. The temperature drops catastrophically. The metal frosts over. The air becomes thick with cryogenic vapor. The sheer visceral stakes in the room are palpable. The material transitions into a superconductor. It no longer interacts with magnetic fields normally. It traps them. It freezes the invisible lines of force. Now, the physical payoff. I release a 10-pound solid steel magnet directly above the frozen puck. It doesn't fall. It doesn't hover unsteadily. It is violently locked in three-dimensional space. The localized gravity field has been successfully bypassed. The heavy metal block defies physics, suspended in a cloud of freezing vapor. We replaced the complex, encrypted software problem with an extreme, hardware-based thermodynamic solution. The contrast is beautiful, using freezing chaos to achieve perfect, unmoving silence. We didn't just bend metal today, we bent space. Subscribe to Pluto's Secret before gravity finds out what we did.